This is the word that I heard. I may know everything that you need to know, but it is not my task to do it for you. What I give to you is for you. Do what is right. Do not look back. And do not try to make others do what you must do. In all this you learn my will. He who does my will learns my will. Follow my example, for I know what must be done and what will happen. In all of that I am your strength. Do not forsake me. Do not act like a human, act like God. This is the word of God. Do not trust in yourselves, but in me. Just hear my word and you will be strengthened. Do not learn the ways of evil, because it is then difficult to get away from it. He who sells himself to evil cannot save himself. He who sells himself to evil needs me to buy him out of evil. Nothing is free, even though it may seem so. Receive the word of God and move forward. A tree is known by its fruits. Look now, it is already budding. Soon it will blossom. This is the time to be close to me. It is right to do good, but is it good or is it evil? Is what you do good or evil? Does it produce good fruit? Does it truly help others? In this time, lies cover the truth and light is needed to see how to walk in the darkness. Let the light shine so that you may see the love of Christ. Do not hide a lamp under a basket. Overcome your fear and advance the work that I have called you to do. I cannot forsake you, but you will forsake me if you are not careful with what you feed yourself. I have called you to do my will. It is up to you what you do with that calling. The calling is there, but without your response, it remains waiting to be fulfilled. When I hear your sorrows, would I not want to help you? Of course I want to help you, but if you do not come out from there with me and do not hear my voice, what do you have? I am gathering the people to a place where they may rejoice together with me, and fears are not known there.